So work is underway. Now as we're walking through, I just wanted to kind of show you what this is going to look like. This is the laminated beam that we've got that's actually setting above the ceiling. So you can kind of see this. Got some sheetrock work going on from our Ace Carpenter crew here. And you can kind of see where we've got this opening actually be closed up. And rock wool insulation. It was in the attic, now it's in the floor. So you can kind of see old wiring getting torn out, baseboards demoed. Decided to just go ahead and put square molding around the windows, the base, and new doors. So probably gonna keep the closet doors, but we're gonna put new doors, entry doors into each room. So kind of coming together, but wanted to kind of give you a glimpse of kind of what that looks like, and it's coming together.